guys, so first and foremost, we have my Supercross Pro XL Vision F1. I mean, this thing's just super comfy. It took me like no time to adapt on it when I first got on it. It's carbon, so it's light and fast. I mean, it feels like I'm flying in the air when I'm jumping. So it's awesome. And I mean, it's very durable as well. I've put this thing through too many cases to count, and it's held up just fine through everything. So can't really beat this frame. We have my matching Speedline carbon forks. Same thing, light, fast, durable, not too tall, and yeah, I think they're super comfortable. And I know I've said it a million times, but I'll say it a million more. This color is just so good. I mean, the perfect teal with the pearl iridescent top coat so that it sparkles in the sun. I love it. And it's actually now available on Supercross's website. So if you want to make my day and match bikes with me so I can see more of these beautiful frames out on the race weekends, go check it out. Moving on from the forks, we have my Supercross Lil Flatty 7.5-inch bars. Yeah, again, they're just a staple with that 6-degree back sweep, 2-degree up sweep. I think they're super comfortable, everything like that. But with the bars, I run a 48 stem and it's slammed. The reason why I run a little bit of a smaller stem is because I like to get over my bars a little bit when I'm trying to attack those backsides and when I'm jumping, but still leaving me enough room to get out of the gate. So, and it's slim because I am a short girl. Next, we have my Speedline carbon cranks. They're 170s. I really like these cranks, like no complaints at all. They've done just fine for me. And again, this is probably the lightest bike I've ever had in my life, but I have really been enjoying it. And Supercross has plenty of aluminum and chromoly options as well. But yeah, I mean, the rotating weight and everything, I feel like it's super good. So I enjoy it, but they also have plenty of other options. Moving on from the cranks, I run a 47-17 at the moment. I kind of switch between this one and a 44-16. I like the 47 just a little bit more for those big hills. But yeah, I mean, I run a 6L power block in the back, if anyone was wondering, for those rollouts. But not least, we have my Speedline carbon rims with the matching little teal stripe that I love. Again, I mean, good rotating weight. They've been just fine for me. Like I said, I have cased too many jumps to count, so trust me, they're durable, but yeah, super comfy. Can't really go wrong. So yeah, I mean, that is my bike check. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and as always, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.